Hi everyone, I'm Dan Destor. I'm from Mountain Village School. I am a science and math teacher, and this coming school year I'll be teaching a woodworking class. So for my project I have this Ulu holder, which was basically a test run of like me getting acquainted with the software that's going to be used for the CNC machine, as well as help me come up with ideas for what I can have the kids do for their projects. And I wanted to keep it culturally relevant to the lessons that I'll be making. I used the software on one of the computers that were here at the STEAM Hub school. You just make a rough outline of what you want ideally for your CNC project. And for me, I just wanted to have like a simple rounded rectangle with some kind of font here. I just put where I'm from as a placeholder. Basically, you can draw what you want on the canvas on that software. What's cool about it is that you can see what it would look like through the software. It's a simulation of the vectors of the path that the CNC will take for cutting the piece of wood. As you can see here, you just export the draw paths and stick it into USB, and then on your CNC router you feed the instructions and then have the board set up and get it to run. I skipped a few steps there, but a lot of safety stuff and setting up the board onto the CNC platform, and you just let it run and you just get your final project.